someone did a hit Ken of Itadori and Gojo getting the BTS meal. But what about TT, Klee, and Diona?
Everyone get in the car, we're gonna get the BTS meal! Alright, I'll drive! Hey yo, this is Diona's first time driving! Fine, if you think you're so good, TT, you drive! Okay, TT will drive. Hey TT, watch out, watch out, watch out! I'm bitches, I'll drive! What is bitch? I don't know, I learned that from Albedo.
Welcome to hell, bitch.
Hey yo, Klee, watch out, watch out! Albedo taught me to drive the bitch. Watch Coco, you already did it!